Yes, hello. I'm plumber. This is how to do your system. This called top push system, superior technology, and it is a very high quality sanitary wares with water quality members, which it works very nicely. You can see it. It have a shark trademark style. This called cistern. Yeah, that's how here inside there is a system. It is a push system. You can see push system. Whereby you press something here, as you can see my hand, you press. So after opening this box, you will see it, and you will realize what I'm trying to show. So that once you meet such a box, you will not be wondering. So let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how to do it. This is the system. This is the push system. You push here when you want to flash. This is small flashing. This is the big flashing. Now you open it up. There is nothing that is locking it inside. You just click it. There is locks here. Here, you just press. You press here, up. This one, and you press this one up. Yeah, like this. You push it. You open it inside. This is the cover. This is the cover. This is the two nuts that once you push it here inside to release water. Here is the waste pipes. This is for this system. Here, this one. These two, the length that you wish to have. The length one, if you want to be high, you'll decide through those pipes. This pipe is the one that is connecting the high level toilet, and the system. Water passes through here. If you can see, it's a very nice hole. It is 1.5 in size. Here it is a waste rubber toilet, which it closes that space. When you fix your pipe inside the toilet, then this rubber, it makes it hard to release water outside. Yeah, this is the nut that closes water on the back side of our system. You will see it the way I will fix it. Now, this one is already fine from the company. You just turn it upside down. Here's the main switch. I'm sorry. This is the main switch. Where it is called a water outlet. This is the inlet, this one. So you take this nut and you fix it here and close it very well, until you feel like it is tight, can't release any water. And if it produces such a leakage, you can apply a small drain tip. So you take your pipe, this pipe, you fix it here. See, as you can see, the rents have to be fixed with this pipe again. See these rents, and this side does not have rents, so you put it here to make it long. As you can see, it is long up to the cistern. Now, because of the distance that you want, you take this one, the one it's having a elbow, but the long side, it is L in shape. You put it here to produce the length that you want here. As you can see, now you can see our system is now complete to be taken to the toilet. Then you take this rubber, there is a rubber, you open it up, excuse to open it. I want to open it, it's so hard because I'm using one hand to show you and the other hand to open this thing. It's only that nothing hard comes off only. Yes, now as you can see, our rubber is open. Just come with it. In the end, this side, there is two sides. If you can see, it has some kind of threads. So this side is the big side, this one is the small side. So you use this big side to fix it here until you see that pipe fits it so well. As you can see now it's fine. It produces a very circular thing. You can watch it very well. Now our system is half complete. You can see the distance to the toilet. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah. When you watch it, it will be like that. So after that, you will connect this pipe entering this side. Then this side, you will take your cover, this cover with the push pipe, and close your cistern. After that, here it is a water source. You can see there is a water source here. Sorry, excuse me. Now from this water source, you will fix your flexible tube, the long one, up to this point here and fix it. Then your toilet's ready. You can use it. It's very fine. Thank you very much. Welcome for more. Thank you.